Welcome guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a supercar in GTA Online so low that it's actually in the ground but still drivable. First of all, you need to go into Legendary Motorsport and purchase the Entity XXR. Then once you've got your car, hop in it and take it down to Los Santos Customs.
What's wrong with her now?
Once you're in LSC, there's two things you have to check. One, that you do not have bulletproof tires or the glitch will not work. And also you have to make sure that you have the competition suspension. Park your car up, pull out a marksman rifle, and do what I do. You have to aim between the wheel and the fender, but not to pop the wheel and not to shoot the fender. Make sure that you shoot like I did just then. Now, the fender should drop down twice, but you're going to have to shoot it a couple of times for that to work. Now, I'll show you that. That's one drop. And that's the second drop. Now, what you want to do is repeat it for all four wheels. And there is the glitch in action. The fender, or the bumper, sorry, will be in the ground, and you won't be able to see the sides of it. And there we go. The front bumper is now in the ground, but the car is still drivable. Last wheel. And that's the whole car lowered even more. Now that's the car lowering glitch, and as you can see, the front bumper is now almost completely in the ground, but the car is still drivable, and that is the glitch. Hope you enjoyed the video guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Yeah, I sort of need to grow my small channel. Anyway, I'm not sure if you can do this with other cars or not, so you'll have to experiment with that, but anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and goodbye. I've also put together a small cinematic.
Roll shit like a Maserati. Roll shit like a Maserati. Yeah. I roll the shit like a Maserati. Got foreign bitches in the club, but I don't want nobody. 내 나가면서 좀 이제 익숙하지 공항이. I pull up, I drink 그자처럼 돌다 하늘 가지. 원하는 많은 나쁜 계집이들 doing this shit illegal, but fuck all the thotties. 언제나 돈이 먼저. 나는 rocking on my true religions, and I pledge allegiance. 밤이까지 오는 게 힘들어. You can't even touch it, yeah. You can never join us. 비 맞추며 going up, smoking Marlboro when next to you with some Hennessy. Fly gonna fuck up, all I see is motherfuckers. Smoking Marlboro 넌 따라하는 예스키. Shit like a Maserati. Got foreign bitches in the club, I don't fuck with nobody. 진동 못 들어 울려 퍼지는 하얀 전화기. Unknown digits and receiving calls from anybody. Yeah, LC boys up, you gossiping poison. 다른 콘 필요 없어, we the chosen. now. Bitches want the